Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here, and I am back from Oz and doing an Etsy update already because this is stuff that I did about a year ago and I haven't put it in my shop yet because I had a purpose, which you'll see in a minute. So this is, I've got Italian Churches Kit 1. Really, I say Italian churches, but it's really their beautiful art. And of course, in those days, the people that commissioned the art were the churches. So that's why I call it that, but really they're more, in my opinion, quite artistic pages as well as religious, but more artistic sort of pages as well. So this is Italian Churches Kit 2, because we've already got 1. And it's a document style, and there are 8 pages. And I absolutely love them. I haven't had the fabric made yet because I wasn't doing fabric then, but I will get these done because I think they'll be lovely. So there's, as I said, 8 pages. And this one. So some are more simple pages and some have more colour on them. And of course they coordinate in with so many of our other kits, the Italian kits, the Italian emblems, the Renaissance kits. You could even mix them in with botanicals because there's a few botanicals here and there. So there's plenty of uses for them. And I think they are lovely. That one and then that one. And then kit 3 is a horizontal kit. And so I don't even remember what pages are in here. I do this one because you'll see why in a minute. But this one I don't even remember the pages. So it's a discovery for me as well. And again, 8 pages, but horizontal. So I love the illuminated manuscripts, so there's quite a bit of those. Of course, I love fabric and my old book pages and documents and laces, so all of my usual things. See that Saint Stefano? He's got the stones on his head because he was pummeled. He was martyred by being pummeled, which isn't that awful? So there we go. So this, I love that page. And oh, I nearly had a freak out. I thought that one was the same as the previous page, but it's not. I did include this beautiful, I think it might be Elizabethan embroidery. It was an embroidered box. I just thought that was lovely. So it's not particularly Italian, but I just thought it was sweet. Love that. And then, of course, beautiful cut velvet fabrics and things. And then there's that one. So they are the digital kits. They are in my shop. Now the next thing, and can you believe it? I prepared these a year ago. I just had to print out the pages. Stefano saw the box downstairs. Literally everything was packaged except for the pages being printed. He's like, what's this down here? Why is this down here? And it's been down there for a year. So let me show you. These are the kits. Now we did this once before with a different kit. Oh, with the first Italian ladies. I'm sorry if it's reflecting. This one's already packaged up. So we're going to work on these together. So what I've done is I've prepared, there's pages to play with, make ephemera with. This is, I think it's called Illustrazione Italiana, but it's inherent to the Vatican. It's quite old. I can't remember. Oh, 1933. It was quite a thick cover and I had quite a lot of them. So I've folded them and then there are documents and things inside. I'll show you in a minute. This is the kit number 2. You've got a fabric pack to make things with and some laces as well. So let me show. I'm not opening that one. Now I'll have an amount up in my shop now, and then I'll put the next amount up in my shop a little bit later. So that way, some of my Aussie friends said to me, could you please put things in your shop at an Aussie friendly time? Because I usually get organized by the end of the day Italian time and the Aussies are asleep. And so everything's quite often gone before they get there. So I'll put some up now and they'll go when this video goes up, and then there'll be some coming up about 4 hours later. I put them up at 6 p.m. my time. I usually publish things. So what time will that be in Australia? That will be 6 p.m. will be 2 a.m. I will put them up about 5 hours. Oh, I'll be asleep. I've got jet lag. I forgot about that. Well, I'll put the next lot up tomorrow morning when I wake up. So afternoon Aussie time. Right, that's what I'll do. Okay, so I have a lace kit in them. I'll show you. I mean, they're all different. I can't even remember what I put in them. Looks like there's some good stuff in here. Yeah, so they'll all be different because it depends if I ran, sorry about the rustling, depends if I ran out of anything. So just all different. That's good for tags. That too, this one. You know, I put some longer pieces in so that you can make side tucks or belly bands. That's gorgeous. This one, that one there. That's nice for a pocket. This is also good for a pocket. I always love a bit of eyelet, a big one. And then that is really beautiful. Lucky person. So that's that one. Oh, that's me. I'm keeping this one because I got to work in it. So I'll put those aside. I'm going to put them back in the bag because otherwise I'll lose all my bits. Okay, so that's that. Then there is the fabric pack. We'll do all of the fabric first. I've got a whole lot of fabric flying around here because I did start working in one, so I'll quickly show you that to give you an idea. So I've got some, and these trims will change depending on availability. They're all very old. That's a silk. This one. And then some of these beautiful silk Italian sort of soft furnishing sort of fabrics. This one, and that one is gorgeous. Okay, so that's that. That's the fabric pack. And then there's the double-sided printed, and I've just folded them simply like that. The double-sided printed document pages. So everyone's going to receive those. That's it. Oh, do you want to see the other side? Oh, isn't that pretty? Whew, it's nice to see them folded. Pretty. Oh, love that. That, and that. Oh, very nice. Okay. And then this is, Illustrazione Vaticana. That's what I thought. So this is how you're going to receive these. They've already got the pages, what I think should go in, folded. So that's that one. Or chunky and destroyed. That's good. Inside, I'm pretty sure in all of them I've already put the Florentine paper in. They need fabric down the center and they'll need a little bit of embellishing, but you can do that. And then you're going to slot in these pages. But we've got, I'm not sure if they've all got exactly the same. They should do. They've got some of the original pages. They have documents. Original page, documents, straw paper, document, and another. There's an original page. So in that one. And then those, as I said, have to go in between. And then to help you play in the journal, there's also all of these. So this is a it says €10. I got them in bulk. This, oh look, paper stamp on that one. They're all different. It's folded in the special way. Shall we open it? I don't even know what's in there. I might not part with it if I open it. Let's see. Oh, there's the seal. Oh, this one might be a double. Oh, this one's a double whammy. This one's got a manifestazione, it's called. So it's an announcement, 1864 in there. Oh no, it's just a double page, you see, and then you can see how they work. They have the letter inside, so that would go like that. And then they've written something there, and then that tucks in there. So I'll mess with that afterwards, but I think most of them will have one of these. There's some sort of communion thing in there as well. There's little rag papers, a cartolina, which is like a card, a postcard. That's a straw paper card. I don't have any more of those. They should have, I mean, they will vary, these, so they should have something like that. Some random book pages, receipts, maybe some smaller documents. That's 18 something. It's just someone's calculations. They might have an art book page, ripped ephemera because they were damaged, notebook, and then all different types of book pages to play with. Rag paper. That must have been some book that I had. More rag paper. Another old book. More rag paper. ledger paper. That one is $18.25. And then Illustrazione Vaticana. A couple of more pages of those. So plenty to play with. The only thing that won't be in there is for any like fabric that I'll show you the one that I've started working on. So I'm going to have 2 on the go, but I'll probably only work on 1 on camera. So this is my bundle here to play with you guys. And then I've got one that I started. As I said, the trims will all be different. So I started this one. You're not going to get the ticking or that sort of thing. But you do, and clearly not that bit of tape, but you will have laces and you have trims to do yours. So we'll work on it together. So this one's put together, but it's not tied in. See, I put a piece of fabric down there, and that's how that one's going to work. So I need to do that together with you. So when I finish my Medieval Mirage, we'll start working on this for I don't know how many weeks on Monday, and then we'll go back to Medieval Mirage. That's how I like to do it. So that's extra. I don't know if those are in there. And so that's a project we're going to be working on, and these are my bits. I didn't have any lacy bits, but I can just grab anything really myself. I think that might be 2. That's 2 packs there. Yes, it's double. So as you can see, different trims depending on what I had left. So that explains those, and this is what they look like. So super fun. You get everything you need except for ticking, and if you want any sort of florally sort of fabric, you won't receive those, but you'll receive everything else in the pack. So, oh, I'm not going to get my Roxy's weekly challenge done today because I'm very tired, and I should have done it. I was going to do it before I left, and then I didn't. So I'll see if I can get it done tomorrow. Otherwise, we might skip one. That just might be what happens. But I apologize for that. But I also need to video a little bit about my trip and then put that video together as well. So I hope everybody is well. I'm back and I'm itching to get into things again. And have a great Friday, and I will see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.